नारी शक्ति ने न्याय पाओस् नारी शक्ति ने न्याय पाओस् we want justice we want justice we want justice we want justice नारी शक्ति ने न्याय पाओस्
Another one of our next raped and murdered victims of this patriarchal couple. Whether you
And also this candle is lighted.
उनीहरूको पनि आउन सक्छ चरित्रमा दाग उनीहरूको पनि लाग्न सक्छ दाग लागि बलात्कार अनि बलात्कार त्यो रातको नपुगेको निन्द्रा नबसेको मेरो चित्त नभड्किरहेको मेरो आत्मा त्यो फरक अनि त्यो रात सोच्दा मेरो शरीरका रौँहरू
जी हाँ रश्मि आज सिक्किम में भी जनता का और आज यहाँ पर
अलिकति पछाडि हाम्रो पुजाइको पब्लिक अलिकति पछाडि गइदिनुहोस् न There are lots of people holding candles at the back, so request you to come ahead. Public हरूलाई जसको हातमा क्यान्डल छ अगाडि आएर बाल्नुहोस् भनेर रिक्वेस्ट छ
Good evening, everyone. This is Dr. Manish Chetri. I am the IMA General Secretary for Sikkim State Branch. And today, what you are seeing here, what we are organizing along with the Rotrack Hills is a candlelight vigil for the heinous crime that has occurred in Kolkata. So, I would like to thank everybody who has come from all walks of life here to show solidarity to this heinous crime. And right by now, everybody is aware that what has happened, so we do not need to go into that. But the support shown by the general public here and elsewhere in India and trending on social media right now, that has given us a lot of morale and a lot of hope that in future, when something happens to the medical fraternity, there will be people standing for us, and there will be people from all walks of life will be coming to show solidarity and help us. And in this regard, we would like to request the authorities to have a very fast track case. The CBI has taken over right now, so we would like to have a very fast track case and deliver justice to us. And we'd like to thank all the people who have come here and shown solidarity, and all the media persons who have tried to bring out our cause.
Okay, one of the most important reasons why we have held this candlelight vigil is to commemorate. It is to bring to fore this idea that how rape is being systematized. Okay, how rape is being systematized in India, and it is very sad. But the kind of things that are happening in our country, it is just not right. And today we choose to speak. Today we choose as Rotary Club of Gangtok Hills to come in solidarity with our people, to come in solidarity with the victim, because we don't want to be bystanders anymore. We don't want to be bystanders anymore. I really feel as a woman, I feel scared. Are we safe? Is this what our country is heading towards? Where is our society heading? Who are these monsters? And what is happening to our humanity? I feel deeply disturbed by this idea that this is the society that we are living in. The kind of rape culture that is being regimented in the minds of the people, the kind of rape culture that is being systematized is something that we should do away with. And it is not just the fight of one person, two person, it is a whole societal case. And this is why we are coming together. Because here I think we should draw a line where it has to stop, where it has to be fought against. And this is why we have done this candlelight vigil, because humanity at this point of time is in a very bleak future, and that is what we want to stop. Thank you.